Morning. This is April 19th, Friday, and this is the curtain weather right here. So you can see there's a little storm going on. And point. Hi. Is it raining? Okay. So no beach today? No. Okay, no one's out. Yeah. It's a rainstorm. See, no one's out on the beach. Alright, let's go. So this is our condo. Recording? Hi. I'm recording, so hi. Alright, let's walk around. This is the kitchen area. My bed for the past couple nights. And that's Phoenix right there. Say hi again.
Hi.
Okay.
This is my room.
Okay, show me your room. Turn on the light, please. Let me see. Oh, wow. Cool room. Okay, show me next. Show me what's next.
Bathroom.
Oh, bathroom? Okay. Turn on the light. Let me see. Inside.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. So this is the bathroom. And this is the little shower. And that's where I clean all the toys from the sand.
Yeah,
Okay.
and mommy and daddy.
Okay. Next.
Mommy.
Next is mommy's room.
Mommy.
Turn on the light, please. Got it right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Mommy.
So that's them two right there, just lounging, being all like lazy. Hi, Bao Bao. Okay. And this is bathroom.
This is mommy's bathroom.
This is mommy's bathroom, I know.
Whoa, big one.
I know. Mommy always get the big room and the bathroom.
This.
I wonder why.
This to this.
Yeah.
This.
Okay. All right. That's it. Friday, it's raining. Let me show you the front.
The TV.
Oh, yeah, sorry. And this is the TV. Okay. And this is the front. Wait, you want to come?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one a unicorn.
Yeah, so this is the front
Unicorn.
with a unicorn. And it is raining. Oh, my God. It's okay.
What's the good?
This is the hallway. We're at 710. Okay, what's the beach house number? Right there, 710. All right, peace. All right, Hoyt. Say bye.
Bye.
Say next time.
Next time.
All right.